Hello! In front of me I have Mibro Watch X1 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Also, if you want to reset your watch through the phone application, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mibro Fit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Mibro Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you should see the home screen. Now tap on the device icon right here to open the device page, and on this page you should see your Mibro Watch X1. Right here it should say connected. Now scroll through this page and find the option called reset. Tap on it and then tap on determine button right here to confirm and start the resetting process. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And we can close the app. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.